Our body is comprised of highways of universal energy. We chose to call them channels. They run by the ways of yin and yang and applications of 5 elements and 6 external forces. 6 channels are from hand, 3 of them start at hand, and 3 of them end at the hand. 6 channels are from foot, 3 of them start at the foot, and 3 of them end at the foot. These 12 channels run bilaterally. There is one channel that runs in the entire midsection in the front. There is one channel that runs in the entire midsection in the back. And there are 6 other extra channels for special occasions that occur. That uses part of these aforementioned 14 channels. Each of the 12 channels that run bilaterally has an element from the 5-element theory attached to it. Wood, fire, earth, metal, water. Each of these elements has 2 components, solid and hollow organs. First is the main solid organ, and second is the support hollow organ. Wood channels are liver and gallbladder. Fire channels are heart and small intestine, and pericardium and triple burner. Earth channels are spleen and stomach. Metal channels are lung and large intestine. Water channels are kidney and bladder. Noticeably, fire channels has 2 pairs instead of 1, which includes unusual looking pericardium and triple burner pair. It is basically a very mysterious part that has many different theories and explanations, which shall be reserved for another video. In acupuncture and East Asian medicine, these organs do not necessarily mean the actual physical organ, but actually derive from the functional presence. What it does proves what it is. So there may be some discrepancies on what the organ is between Western medicine and East Asian medicine. When an acupuncturist describes an organ, they are describing the function first, which shapes the organ. When a modern physician describes an organ, they usually locate the physical presence first, then explains the function. 2 very different but necessary approach for their own methods of diagnosis and treatment. And last but not least, these multiple channels of energy in our body pass through junctions and points of intersections, which becomes points of energy transmission, or acupoints. There is about 361 known standard acupoints from the primary channels, and many other extra points that is used in many different types of strategies. At a glance, it could be very confusing. It is not a standard way of looking at things by today's Western philosophy standards, which dominated and shaped our modern society. It takes time to settle in. But when we are able to really get a grasp on this, it is hard not to be amazed. The results of many years of experience and discussions by the past scholars and physicians paved the way for a system of life and medicine that can stand the test of time, even in advent of modern technological advances.